Bantayin lagi ninyo, bantayin.
Girls, say hi. Hi guys. So your drink. Mine is blueberry. Blueberry and she has grape. We're enjoying this show, bro.
Wala man kumabuhatan na no, kay hinay kay na mga kauban. Kamura yung bayan ni Bukong o ni Batingan ang nila.
This is the team we're doing this one. It's white team. We're in the white team. We are in white team. So this is after uniform. This is the team we're against. You almost done with my drink.
3 minutes and 35. 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Time in. 3 minutes and 25. Team B.
This is our team. Where is it? So this is our team right here. Right? This is our team. We're not.
No good. No good.
They're in the basketball round right now. So by the way, guys, bye. Bye, butterflies. Bye.